Good morning, good afternoon, good evening at whatever time you are watching this video. I am Ankush Pare and I am from India. Friends, I have a special things to share with you today and it's a good news for you. I am making a video courses for you and in that video course I will share step by step practically how to overcome your stammering. Everything will be practical there. I am considering that stammering is a pattern of speaking. From your childhood, whatever you are speaking, it's a habit for you, right? And this pattern I have divided into three parts. First will be the body pattern. Body, like how you use body to express yourself. If you know how to use perfect body pattern, you can overcome your stammering. Second will be the speaking pattern. If you know how to handle words, if you know how to speak fluently, with clarity, you can overcome your stammering. And third will be the mind pattern. If you know how to decrease your thoughts, or if you know how to control your thoughts, or if you know how to manage the mind pattern things, you can overcome your stammering. So to overcome your stammering 100%, these three pattern is the most important things. And whatever I am sharing in this video courses, upcoming video courses, in that video courses, I will share everything step by step practically. Whatever you have learned till now in YouTube, maybe from other videos, you got a knowledge like how to overcome your stammering. You got some yogas, you got some reading exercise, you got so many exercise, some techniques, but still you have a confusion like practically how I should go outside and speak without stammering, how I should go in a meeting room and how I should present myself effectively. That things will always be in your mind. So this video course will definitely help you. And the most important thing is that this course will be free of cost for everyone. Yes, because till now I got so much of love and support from your side and I should return something. Yes, I'm so much excited to share these things. So what you can do now, in a description box you will find a link. Description box you will find a link for video courses, right? For free video courses. What you have to do, you have to click on that link, submit the link with the email ID also, so that we can email you for when our courses will get available, right? In that courses it will be the 3-day course, or I can say 5-day course. I don't know like in which how much day I will be making that course, but definitely that will be the practical course. Whatever I am teaching in a training session, I will teach you same thing in a practical in a video courses. So I am really excited for that, and everything whatever I will teach, I will share with you. Everything will be practical. Till now I completed 100 plus videos on YouTube, so I thought I got so many requests till now for training course, but as I teach everyone personally one-to-one session, so I can't give time for everyone. This video course will definitely help you and it's free of cost. So friend, just submit your form and just wait for a few more days. And if you are watching this video after few days, few months, few weeks, few years, then you can check description box. Maybe you can get a video course link there only, so you can click there. And if you are not getting right now, so it means we are in a process for uploading that. Okay, so that's it for today. That news I wanted to share with you, and I'm so much excited. So after this video I will shoot these video courses and I will share with you everything. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Bye.